So this is one, AI analytics chatbot. So it has couple of features I will show in this demo, and the project is very scalable, very secure, and it actually helpful to analyze the data, of any like domain like sales, healthcare, and multiple domain. So it can be configured with multiple domain, but right now it's only set up with sales domain only. So, like this is the home page to list down the feature, this application content, and I have just like showcase some of the features in this home page. So you can just see how the home page look like in the very first. So like enterprise security, seamless integration, dynamic dashboard, automated reports, natural language querying, and predictive analysis. So right now, whatever the resource has been used also, so it's like very, all are like free resources and it's running in my local system. But yeah, I mean, it can be configured to any like other, LLM provider also. So currently I'm using DeepSeek to, run this app, but it can be compatible with OpenAI or like Claude or any like LLM, which is just enough intelligent. So yeah. So here at the here is the login page. So basically, you have both the login options using the OAuth and I mean using the SSO like Google, GitHub, and Facebook. Currently, it's configured for Google, but like there is option also for GitHub, Facebook, and Twitter that can be configured. So I'll be like showing one user ID, test user ID that is I have added for my own account. So just you can see it through them. So I just log in here, and this is the like initial interface. I have also option for dark mode and white mode both compatibility. So like the themes are also pretty much compatible in this case. And when you just reach down the page, so if you see, you can see that there are some suggestions can right. So this suggestion questions also, it is like based on the chart. So when you continuously chart on the with the chatbot, then it will suggest you more and more question to dig down and know more about the whatever the things you are trying to get the knowledge. So LLM also like this chatbot also suggests you some of the questions on the particular topic. Initially, it's just sending some of the topic so that you can explore. But I mean, it's your choice, like what you can try on. So I'll be like showing one chat that I recently created. So this is a very simple question I asked, like prepare a sales report for last month. So you can see like these are the way it just present the details. The query retrieves the sales data for the last month, include order details and all these things. And the bar chart visualize the total sale amount by the last month, providing a clear view sales performance by data. So now it then started providing the each column and row like what are the table data it has. So basically it presents the details and when you click the show data, then you will see the actual data here. So there is a full screen option. I can choose this to visualize in a better way, and you can see the this table, and you can go for the like, next, and to browse through the and explore the data. So like this, you can just see the details of the tables. And there in the next to the chart, so there is an option like it presents the data here, like generating the multiple charts. So each chart has some options like you can analyze with the full screen, and some other features are also there. So basically, you can see there is a preview size, right? So what happens sometimes, if the data says are really huge, okay, so the system not able to display it in a proper way. So for that, we have this. I just added this preview size feature, which exactly help you to see it in a more optimized way rather than loading all the things at the same time. You can use this preview size to like visualize this with the number of details you want. So right now I just made it to 100%. Anyway, like there is an option also, so full data. So you can also click it to view this all the details at the same time. So now there is an option like full screen view. So you can see like there is also option like to reduce and get the whole data. And it's a very interactive chart that just produced. So we have option like download as PNG, and some other tools are also okay. So it just created that PNG from out of it. At the same time, there is zoom option, so you can scroll zoom. At the same time, there is also this tooling option to zoom in, zoom out. There is a pan option, like you can like pan accordingly. If you want, you can just pan and visualize like this, and auto scale to reset, and there is a lasso scale to just okay. For this, it is not applicable, but with some different chart, this this lasso selector is also applicable in the sum of the point. So, like before moving to the next chart, I'd like to explain one more thing. So, this is like like if you have a system where you have some data of the particular system and you wanna like integrate this kind of AI tool which will be giving you like insights and explanation and more strategic presentation. So it will help you out to understand and channelize data within seconds. It can generate reports. It can help you out to understand the data. It can help you out to query and instantly see with the just a human language interaction. So like it won't be take days to just prepare these charts and all. So within minutes and second, like using this chatbot, you can prepare the data. So you can see like it also prepares some of the chatbots here, which is very interactive as well. So you can interact like this pie chart and visualize the percentage wise details. And at the same time, there is some other charts also it prepared, so like order date and order ID over time. So this is also one of the chart. It helps you out to visualize and understand the chart in a better way. So there is another tab, this analysis. So what exactly it do? It shows you like what's the quality of data. So number of columns, duplicates, what is the size of the data and all. It will help you out to analyze it. At the same time, each individual field it presents the mean, median, range, standard deviation, IQ or outliers, and percentiles. So it presents individual field level also. So like this is this analysis tab also have more features like outbound, inbound. So according to the data, it just present this analysis tab. So there is this query tab. So it also shows you like what query does it produce at the same time. There is a insights tab. So what exactly it do? This insights and tab, explain tab, help you out to understand the chart. Like if you want to understand what exactly this chart means, what is this visual insight do, what is the recommendation, integration suggestions. So you get this in this insights. And there is a explain tab also. So it help you like to analyze and explain your charts in a better way. Okay, it's taking some time like to process and get the details by using the LLM. But yeah, it's just to produce the necessary details. So like this way only it it summarize the whole charts here. Like you can get a better details like this. And I will show you some more insights here, like some more features that it has been integrated. Okay, so here I asked like create all type of chart sales, order location wise of the 3 quarters data. So it just present this data like as I previously saw. So order data, category, analysis, quarter, no missing values and all this thing is just present. At the same time, it prepare the details here. So let's go for the full screen. And here you have like quarter count and total sale and shipped address, like what address it has been shipped. So there's 28,374 records for this. And there is this chart. So like basically if you see like this preview option is like to help you out to minimize and maximize the preview option. So it prepares the two, different charts to analyze. So I will go for the full screen. I will increase the charts more details, and you can just crop up and see, like, interact with the charts to understand, in a better way. And there is a also, if you can remember, see, like, there is a AI chart, right? So you want to do some research on top of this chart, like you want to know, like, you just want to ask and know some more details on it. So I asked, like, top five address where it has the peak with their value, show me. So just prepare, like, what peaks based on the charts, like, five addresses it just pick, and their values, like, respective to their address, and inside significance, highest sales in between these, close competitors, geographical spread, business competitions, trends and patterns. It just also highlights this thing, and key insight also, it generate some of the details here. So it also give you some follow-up question that you can also, add and ask to the LLM. So, like, this is overall, like, this is the drill down feature. So suppose you want to drill down about this chart, like you want to know more details on this chart, and you want to continuous chart with LLM and ask. So you can just, like, as I asked here, so you can do this as well. And this, like, chatting conversation and all, it is like very fast also. It's not something like it will consume a lot of times, lot of tokens, because the way it has been designed, it's a very optimal way I have designed this, so that it will consume your minimum token. It won't, like, consume a lot of tokens of the LLM, and it also provide the best performance, like, and very scalable system. So, like, even like there are thousands of data, so it can deliver them within minutes, and it also produce couple of charts to understand and analyze the thing in a better way. At the same time, here you can also ask some questions and get your details done out of it. So this is like a chart, like producing chart and the drill down feature. And there is some this analysis, query, insights, and explain feature. So, like, as I have hit this to tab, so it's taking some time to generate, because like, unless until you click it, so it won't be generated before, because, like, I designed in the way so that unnecessarily your token won't be consumed, like, unnecessary over it. So only if required this, then you will be clicking, and then only it will be created and stored. So lot of optimization technique also has been implemented, so that your apps also perform in the very like, stable way, and it won't be consuming lot of cost for you also. So, like, it also presents, right? I mean, you can see, like, how details is just presents the details. But anyway, like, these details are like overall details. So the better way to understand the charts and all, like, if you go to the chart full screen and go for this AI chart. So AI chart will help you out to understand it in a better and more detailed way. At the same time, we have some reference feature also. So there is a feature like this here. So you can click and select any of the chart in the conversation, and then you can ask your question. So this kind of things will be generated out of it. So if you see, like, I had some reference question I have asked here. So create all type of chart for sales. Location wise was the main chart, and the reference chart is like which top of five address will be deliver the best results. Okay. So it produces, like, the query identifies the top five address that generate the highest sales in the last quarter. This is this, and this presents the details, like, this top five details and all, like, what columns and all it faced, and some improvement suggestions and action item is also provided here. So you can go for the show chart. So here you can see the details in a better way. Like this, it presents, like, top five and the shipping address also. Generate also some charts to understand it, like, in a overall basis. At the same time, you have the same, functionality like AI chat and all. You can drill down those features here also. So I also asked here, like, out of which has the average level of performance. So if you see, like, it produced the total sale range and the top performer and then the lower performer, and then it produced the data points ranked out of the highest to lowest. So it's like produce the data points and then it produce the average level of performance like with the formula and all, and then it gives you the exact results so that you can analyze and understand the things. So like on top of that also we just have used this AI chat and understand the thing in a more comprehensive way. Okay. So same analysis feature, query features, insights. So this will be like it will be like here as they are. So we have export feature also. So you can just download this using this PDF document. So this feature is also here like if you want the whole chart to be downloaded, so you can just click this export PDF Word and Excel. So I will be like choosing PDF here. Okay, failed to export the conversation. So something is wrong right now. I think might be some server issue or something. Okay, so I'll be like checking this. Might be there is some issue in this session. Just let me refresh. Okay, I think let's just create and ask. So one of the prediction feature is also integrated in this chatbot. So you can just ask and predict, like next month sale or any domain specific questions. So here if you see like, like it has all the options, sales, marketing, support, HR, finance. So multiple domain just can be configured out of this. So uh, like you can just, click and select your details out of it here. So this application is made top on the microservice as well, so that it can be handle a lot of requests, large number of requests and loads. So it is running currently in my own system. So all the servers, all the things is in the system only. But I mean, with a proper server and deployed, so like definitely with this dealing with such a large data set, it's amazingly fast, I will say. But with a better server, definitely the performance will even further increase. So you can say like this just predict the next month's sale here, and there is also some charts also it produced for this. So if you see like there are three, four, five charts it just prepared. So this is a forecast for total sale. So we'll be seeing this. You can see right. So this is a historical data and this is the forecasting data here. Okay, so this chart what is also this chart whatever it produce also it's like more very interactive. So you can just analyze and see these details and also use AI chatbot to just get your job done like what you want to drill down the chart and all. So this is also one of the trend also it prepared for it and one of the weekly seasonality produce. So this just produce a very very beautiful chart to understand the seasonality here. And we prepared a holiday effect. So like there could be some multiple holidays in the particular month. So like it prepared like what should be the progress on this month and all this respective holidays. Also, it's present the line of total sales of order data. Like this also, you can visualize this thing in a even better way. And this analysis. You can see the key correlation, lower bound, forecast, upper bound, and this all analysis just prepared. Trained, lower bound, upper bound, actual data. It also, prepare all these results with this analysis. So you can get the IQ, standard deviation, everything you can analyze by this tab only. And this insight explanation will be behave in the similar way like it behave for them, the older chart as well. Okay. And okay, so this is overall about the chart, and I will go explore some more. I will just show you them some more features. So there is a dashboard feature also. It has been added. So with new dashboard, you have to just mention the prompt like what kind of dashboard, what are the things you wanna see it. So I have already created sales representation order dashboard. So if I click on it, so it will be fetching those records out of it. So there might be thousand, lakhs of records. So currently in my system, so I have around you know 8 millions of records in each table. Around 10 tables has been integrated. So you can consider like 10 to 80 million records are there. So it is working on top of that. But yeah, I mean this system is still scalable. I mean you can add more tables, so it won't be impact due to the RAG technology. So it will be properly functioning in that case also. So we just visualize one of the chart it just prepared. So bar total orders by name, total orders. So there is also options to further increase the data. So you can just go for any portion and analyze the details what we want to display it. Zoom in, zoom out feature also work. So that will also help. But I mean, this all tool option is also available. At the same time, also AI chart option is also there. So this thing will be help you out to drill down more feature. And there is some more charts also. Like this is a bar total sales by name and total sales, total orders by sales, total order and orders by name, and total sale by name, total sales, customer ID, and this is one of the sales perform multiple prompts. I mean, it depends on the prompt, like what kind of chart it is generating. So I'll be like, setting up some example here. Okay. So I'm just, right now creating a new dashboard. Okay, cool. It's just, created. So now it's fetching the data from the database. So you can see like every chatbot has an option like what on what type of questions, what query it prepared, and these options presents like help you out to understand it in a more way, more better way. So this is the total order and total lines of total orders by the order date. So it's presenting the details here like this. So you can visualize this like this way only. Like go to that particular session and understand the lines and the respective orders for it. And there is sales representation. This is also one more chart it just created. Total sales by name. So employee wise is just created. And again, like total orders by order date. So the questions for it, like how have total orders trended over time? So now you can understand this question by using this. Trained also it's present for this because like I asked for train, right? So it created the trained for each of this chart here. But yeah, I mean, lot of multiple charts also it is capable of preparing. So bar chart, like a pie chart, and a lot of other chart also it can prepare for the dashboard itself. So it depends upon the question and the context that you are working on. But it's already tested, like like with those respective details, it can be created in this dashboard. So there is also one option is schedule a task. So basically you can schedule the task here like this. So you can give the name. Suppose I want to test sales report, and you can put your description like what kind of report you want to generate, and set your domain. So specific date and time, or like daily or weekly, monthly, yearly, date range. Date range means from this date to this date, or something like you can set of your own. And you can set like the report type, what kind of report you want to generate. And there is a hard participant also, so you want to tag your manager or any authority or any person, you can just add here. And you can schedule. So this kind of task will be created. So it presents the task here like this, like the status of that, it is fail or success. Like as I don't have the mail credentials, so it just failed. But I mean, it shows like how this has been failed and all. And you can see like task-wise details, how many times it's scheduled and what's the report for that. And it also present the all histories for it, like also like all the charts, respective their status and details. So it's success or fail or something like that. At the same time, there is a manage contact and mail configuration. So you can configure mail what in the what a provider you want to configure, from what mail it will go to the particular user. And at the same time, there is also option for manage contacts. So there is OAuth integration also, integrated. So you can import your all contacts or like integrate with Teams or Google Chat or something. So there it will be importing all your contacts to the system, and there you can just mail and send the reports from the system. So it's like a commercially also it can integrate um, with your like Google Chat or Teams or like Joho or any official like system also. It is properly compatible. So yeah, I mean this is all about the feature. So there is some setting option also, but yeah, I mean it's still in beta feature, so some options are still non-functional. But I mean there's a setting panel also, so some of the things also you can manage here as well. Okay, so for each chart, we have an option for export option here. So, like when you click this export, so you have three options available, like one PDF, Word, and Excel. So right now, PDF and Word are like these are the functional things. Excel is still under beta development, but this two feature is properly working. So we can export these all details in the document format. So I click on it. So it will be downloaded in a PDF right now. So the server it is getting prepared. Those data is getting imported and prepared for the report generation. So similar feature like this export, we have also option for export feature here as well. So either we can individual chart level, individually we can just import the charts. Otherwise, the whole chart can be also exported as same like PDF, Word, and Excel as well. Okay, now the PDF report is downloaded successfully. So we are gonna save it and visualize like how it has been producing the details. So if you see like whatever the analysis we just got there, so everything just come to this PDF. So this whatever the chart it produced, so it just came to this PDF and we can analyze this thing here as well. Yeah. So this is all about this application. And yeah, we have some options in the setting, but they're still under development. So overally, this have a dynamic dashboard, a scheduler to schedule tasks which can integrate with your like commercial application like Zoho or Teams or Google Chat, and that can be shared through the mail with the scheduler, like whatever the reports and all will be gonna trigger at the time of point. Document will generate it and send to the particular user. And there is this option to generate you can ask question and get the details, generate insight, and then on the particular insight also you can just query and drill down about the more details on the particular deep or high trains, like you can dig down about those particular details whatever is getting produced for the chart. And at the same time there is a tag feature also, so it will help you to tag the particular chart and ask question on top of it. So there is a chart suggestion option. So on the basis of the previous chart, it also help you to suggest some more questions, whatever you wanna ask. So yeah, and this whole application based on the microservice architecture and RAG, lot of advanced mechanism also has been used. Suppose there is the question like prepare a sales report for last month and you wanna ask the same question again to the system. So it won't be like going to query for the same like it's not going to be go for like LLM processing and all. Like instead it will collect the LLM response what has been done before for the particular chart. So then it can just simply collect the details and send to the user instead. So if you see like comparatively it is faster and it just save the token instead. I mean instead of like recreating all the flow again, so it just paste the latest data for the same question. So this is all about the application. So yeah, any you can see the also drop down for the domain selection and some of the dark mode and other features are there. Like the UI and the backend, both the things are very optimized and they can deal with really large data set. Yeah, I mean this is all about the application. Thank you.